Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Match and welcome to my channel. So in my hands here, I have the Samsung Bezel Frame, and I was a little hesitant on getting this because I saw all the bad reviews on this frame that goes around this TV. But I wanted this actual color, and I wanted it to be real slim and modern. So I was wondering so bad, why was there so many bad reviews on this frame here? But if you don't like this modern look, I'll direct you to a more bolder frame for your TV. But also, if you like images like this for free, I'll put in the description how to find 4K pictures like this so you don't have to pay for the membership of Samsung and all. This is about installing this on the TV, but I will in the description show you and tell you on how to get images like this on your television. But when you get this, guys, you need to hold this very delicate, like it's an actual flower, because it is very plasticky. And I'm going to tell you why they did it, in my opinion. So be careful. So we're going to install this bottom part, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, guys? So guys, like I said, I'm holding this thing like a flower because that's how delicate this thing is. And it has magnets inside the frame, guys. So the magnets inside this frame is what makes it put together onto the frame. This thing comes with little clips. I advise you, that's why I think there's a lot of bad reviews, because they apply these clips onto the television and it's very difficult. You don't need the clips. There's magnets on this. So you don't want to apply the clips, because this, by not using the clips, is what's going to make this fit onto the television nice and flush so that all the corners match together. So let's do it, guys. All right, guys, so I have this bottom portion for the bottom part of the frame. I installed everything else, so self-explanatory. The sides are for the sides, the top is for the top. But look for the one that's specifically for the bottom. So there's a little slot there that fits around the sensor. I think there's about a lot of bad reviews because they just, manhandle this frame and just start pushing it super hard onto the frame, and they're breaking it. So it's a magnet, guys, so just very delicate. And there's these little grooves on the back end. And you got to be very delicate when you put this on, because if you do not put this on nice and softly, it's not going to sit down on the television nice and flush. So they're literally very slow, very, very slow. This is how delicate it is, guys. So do not worry about those clips, and you just go along the bottom. Make sure it's nice and snug, because there's going to be a portion on there to where it's not nice and snug. So boom, nice and snug. So you're seeing a lot of bad reviews because they're just pressing on it, manhandling it, and probably breaking the back end of it, and then it's not sitting nice and flush. So as you can see, everything is nice and flush for me. Do not use those clips. All right, guys, so if you guys want nice art like this, you gotta download the SmartThings Samsung app, right? Once you download that, you wanna go to a website. You can get 4K images like this from a website called Pexels. I'll put it down in the description so you can find it. And I'll always update where you can get free images. And you're probably like, why is it free? Why is it free? Well, there's a lot of businesses that download images and they donate money because they use the images for business, but you're just using them for your home. So I've got other images too, but I'm very happy with my Samsung frame. And when you do the SmartThings Samsung app, you can apply these white borders and then enhance the photo. And also, when you download these images, there's this other website that you have to direct that image, and what it does is it automatically does the dimensions for the Samsung television. You got to generate the actual dimensions of the photo, and then you transfer that photo to the SmartThing Samsung app, and then you just upload it. So guys, thank you for watching my channel. I'm new to YouTube. If you can give me a like, that will be awesome. But also make sure you save this video, guys, because I will always update that description of where you can find free images like this. So thank you guys. See you guys again. Bye-bye.